Hello guys, welcome back. All right, so in this particular video, guys, I'm actually going to walk us through and tell us five different online businesses you can actually get into and make money. All right, in 2023. All right, so if you want to make money in 2023, this video is for you. I'm actually going to tell you these five different things you can actually do. All right, so some of you right now, this is 31st. All right, and maybe by 11, 12 tonight, people are actually going to get to church and they're actually going to be kabashing and praying all and asking God to do one or two things for them. All right, yeah, God is going to have to do those things for you, but then if you don't work towards what you want, heaven is not going to help you, right? So I'm actually going to help you right now, give you ideas, and it's now left for you to actually pick what you want to go into. So I'm actually going to give us five different online businesses you can actually get into and make money online in 2023. All right. So without further ado, I'm going to get on and do that. But let me introduce my name. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ebenezer Etling, and one thing I do on this particular channel is that I create videos, awesome videos that are centered around making money online. All right. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that when next I publish a new video on how to make money online, you get notified. So you can at least get on right now and start making money. All right. So the first thing I'm going to actually introduce to you is not like a real business, but then it's something that can actually help you to make a little amount of money, right? So if you're starting out and you want to start making money when you start out and or you want to start a real business and then you don't have the money to start it up, this will actually help you, right? I'm actually saying that this will actually help you because it actually helped me a lot when I was actually starting out. And I know this guy who's actually 16 years old, and last year from October to December, this December, he's made about 500,000 naira in dollar. That's almost $1,000. And he did this and just completing surveys, just performing tax. All right. So the first thing you need to do is you may need to do is actually completing tax online, going to survey sites and completing surveys. There are lots of survey sites out there which you can actually get onto. We have Cashew, which is the very one that worked for me when I tried it. Not only that is the only one that worked for me, but then it was paid me most when I tried it out. Cashew is actually an app. Now in my subsequent videos to come, I'm actually going to show you guys how this survey apps work. All right, so if you need to know how the survey apps work or how all of anything I'm going to mention right here it works properly, be sure to hit the subscribe button. All right, and if you have any comments, any questions, please be sure to drop it in the comment section. All right, so now you can actually perform tasks, carry out tasks, drop comments, watch videos, answer questions, and when you do these things you get paid. All right, it's that simple. All right, and that's it. Now there are sites. I thought about sites. I thought about Cashew. Now there's a website that is called PoolPay. There's another website that is called Survey Junkie. Right now on this different website you can actually make money by just completing tasks and answering questions. Now in subsequent videos to come, I'm actually going to show you guys um, how to do all of these things. All right, that's number one. Now, this is not going to actually make you much money, right? It's not going to make you a lot of money, but then it's going to help you start something. Yeah. So the second one, which I'm actually going to mention, is freelancing. So if you have any digital skill, like designing websites, removing background pictures, um, um, adding background music to background. There are a lot of things you can actually do by being a freelancer. So you can actually become a freelancer by doing jobs for people online, and when you do these jobs, you get paid when the job is actually done. And right now, there are websites you can actually get onto and become a freelancer. We have freelancer.com. That's actually a website. Now, I also have Fiverr, which is the most popular, and we also have Upwork. We have people per hour. There are lots of them out there, but these are the most popular ones. I've actually given it to you guys. All right. Now, this one is something I've actually tried and it worked for me. So go and try being a freelancer. All right. So the next thing I'm actually going to talk about right now is doing affiliate marketing. All right. Affiliate marketing is the third thing I'm actually talking about right now. And if you hit the subscribe button right now and stay glued to this particular channel, in the coming months, really coming days, right, in this new year, which we're going to get into, I'm actually going to show you how I've made money by doing affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is when you get to sell people's products. We're not talking about courses, we're not talking about books, I'm talking about product. When you get to sell people's products and you get a paid commission, right? So you actually sell people's products and you get given a commission, all right? So that's what affiliate marketing is all about. And there are different websites you can actually get onto and start doing affiliate marketing. We have ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing website. It does not allow Nigerians though, but I mean, I've hacked my way into ClickBank, and I'm making a few bucks right on ClickBank. Right? So it can actually help you make money on ClickBank. Yeah, we also have the ones that allow Nigerians right here, like JVZoo. Yeah, JVZoo allow Nigerians. We have also Warrior Plus. All right, so you can get on this particular website, these different websites, and start selling people's products. And when you sell people's products, you get paid commission, right? So this is the third one, right? Now the next one I'm actually going to mention is creating content online. Creating content online. Now this is about creating things what people watch or read online. So content can be in two forms. It can either be in video form or in like written form, the what you get to read. Yeah. So right now you see that I'm actually trying to grow this YouTube channel. It means I'm actually creating content online, and at the same time I'm actually adding value to you guys. All right, and then I can still actually make money by adding value to you guys. All right, so you can actually get information out there. Let's say you're good at entertainment, you can actually share content that's with entertainment, either on YouTube or you have a blog. Either you have a vlog or you have a blog. Now you have a vlog on YouTube, you share updates on YouTube, people watch it, and at the end of the day you can still make money. Now there are requirements that you need to actually meet on YouTube for you to get monetized by Google. Now you need to have minimum of 1,000 subscribers in a year and 4,000 watch hour in a year to actually meet the requirements. Now on your blog, you can actually make money three different ways on your blog. You can actually make money with affiliate marketing on your blog. You can actually make money by brand post. You can also still make money by revenue, that's Google AdSense. All right, so the requirement there is you have unique content on your website. They're not plagiarized, and you also have some pages that are required. All right, so in subsequent videos to come I'm actually going to share this with you. So if you're interested in getting to know this method, be sure to hit the subscribe button. All right, I've talked about YouTube and content. That is still one, creating content, and we've talked about like 4 of them right now, 4 different ways to actually make money in 2023. All right, so the last one I'm going to talk about right now, which is going to make it 5, is trading the Forex market or cryptocurrency market. Now a lot of people are actually making money in this niche. All right, I've actually made money in this. That's why I'm actually telling you about it. Okay, and people like that you should know, people that on social media that you can know, like Kritani and Tola and Fadube, these people actually make money. They're Nigerians, and they actually make money by trading the Forex market and the cryptocurrency market. All right, so maybe you don't even know how to trade the Forex market, the cryptocurrency market. You can actually buy signals from people who are professionals already, and you take the signals. All you need to do is fund your accounts, take the signals, and replicate what the same thing they're doing. You make money. So it's that simple. All right, so I'm going to take a recap of the things I've actually said right now, so that if you actually skip some parts, you actually get them again. All right, so the first thing I mentioned right here is completing surveys online, and the second thing I mentioned is freelance, doing jobs online and getting paid. Now the third thing I mentioned right here is affiliate marketing. You sell people's products and then you make money. All right, you get commissioned, right? So the fourth part is actually creating content online. You can actually create this content on Facebook, on YouTube, all right, or you have a blog. All right, it's basically that simple. And the last thing I mentioned right here is what again? Trading Forex and the cryptocurrency market. All right, so that's it for now, and that is this tips. And in some subsequent videos to come, I'm actually going to show you how all of these things work, but you need to get the idea, and you can actually do your research. All right, you can do your research. You don't necessarily need to wait for me to actually upload these videos first before you start taking action. After you've seen this video right now, take note of these things I've actually mentioned, and all you need to do is just go on and do your research, read more of these things I've mentioned, and see your way through in it. All right, now if you want me to guide you in any of these things, you can actually message me on Instagram at Ebenezer_link, and I will help guide you. If you need a personal guidance in any of this, I'll guide you through, walk you through on all of this or any of this, and that is it. All right, so remember to take action. All right, I always talk about it, taking action. Remember to take action. When you're watching this video and don't put into practice what I've shown you so far, you will be nowhere making money. All right, so guys, I'm actually gonna walk out right now, and peace out.